Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest U-shaped neck blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, U-shaped back neck designs are most common and almost all type of women love this kind of U-shaped neck pattern. This kind of U-shaped blouse back design suit all sarees and lehengas. The U-shaped back blouse design are unique and all-time favorite for everyday use. Friends, the slim fit and plus size woman can look attractive and gorgeous with this kind of U-shaped blouse design. There are different type of U-shaped blouse design available in the market, including board U-shaped pattern, deep U-neck to Kai U-neck blouse design, mostly considered a variety in U blouse neck. The U neckline blouse design, which make a flattering and feminine look. The tip of U-neck can vary, offering option for different level of coverage and style. This kind of U-neck blouse design highly versatile and can be paired with various type of sarees, skirt, lehenga and palazzo. This kind of U-neck blouse design suitable for formal and casual occasion. Friends, U-neck blouse design can feature embellishment and detailing along with neckline like embroidery, lacework, stone, mirror, sequins, piping, etc. These elements add texture and visual interest and can elevate the overall aesthetic of the U-neck blouse design. Friends, U-neck blouse design are often designed with comfort, allowing for easy up movement and breathability because there are available in different fabric including cotton, silk, chiffon, organza, chargan, etc. And it providing option for different climate and preference. Friends, this kind of unique blouse design has stood the test of time, remaining a popular choice across the generation. Its classic appeal ensured it can be wear for year without going out of style. Friends, we know that half sleeve printed with unique blouse design look dynamic and elegant with the saree. Friends, unique blouse embellished with beautiful artwork give you a magnificent look. The admirable thing about the decoration of the blouse, lace detailing unique blouse look amazing with a designer saree or silk sarees. The boldness of the blouse neck can and floral print unique blouse look cool even in regular saree that are wear daily. The designer and unique look can give to your day-to-day dressing with a mix and match design of your saree and blouse. Friends, the floral printer unique saree look amazing with any of your saree that has any color that match the floral print in your blouse. Friends, you know that velvet fabric always give a rich and luxury look. The velvet fabric unique blouse design is one of the most common yet elegant style of stitching designer blouse. Some designer blouses have embroidery work that give U-shape on the back or front. This kind of blouse give an amazing designer look to your saree. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.